Hi boys and girls, today I'm making a math help video to help you with lesson 8.2, multiples of fractions. So the first thing that you're going to do in this lesson is you're going to learn how to list the next four multiples of the fraction. Here are your steps. Step number 1, you're going to write the next four fractions with the same denominator. So as you can see, my fraction here is 3/8. What we're going to do is we're going to write the next four fractions with the same denominator, and our denominator here is 8. So we're going to just write the next four fractions with 8 as the denominator. Okay, there's that. That's step number 1. Step number 2 is we're going to skip count by adding whatever the numerator is for the original fraction. Our original fraction is 3/8. Our numerator is 3. So each time that we go up to the next fraction, we're going to add 3. So here I'm going to write 3 plus 3. What's 3 plus 3? 6. Then we're going to do 6 plus 3. What's 6 plus 3? 9. Then we're going to do 9 plus 3. What's 9 plus 3? 12. Then we're going to do 12 plus 3, and that gives us 15. Now, as you can see, for these fractions right here, we have improper fractions, but that's okay because it wants us to list the next four multiples, and that's what we are doing. So the next four multiples of 3/8 is 6/8, 9/8, 12/8, and 15/8. Here's our next example. We're going to follow the same steps. Our original fraction here is 2/6. So step number 1 says, write the next four fractions with the same denominator. As you can see right here, our denominator is 6. So we're going to go ahead and write 6 as the denominator for the next four fractions. Step number 2 says, skip count by adding whatever the numerator is for the original fraction. As you can see here, our numerator is 2, so each time we're going to add 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 8 plus 2 is 10. So our next four multiples of our original fraction, that is 2/6, is 4/6, 6/6, 8/6, and 10/6. The next part of our work that we are going to do for this lesson is we need to write the product as the product of a whole number and a unit fraction. Here are the steps. Step number 1, first we have to look at our problem. We have 3 times 2/4. So basically all we're going to do for this, boys and girls, is we're going to solve it. So step number 1 is multiply the whole number times the numerator. So here's our whole number. We're going to make a little triangle. We're going to do 3 times 2. And what is 3 times 2? That is 6. So that's our new numerator. And then we're just going to slide the denominator right over, and that is 4. So our answer to 3 times 2/4 is 6/4. We're going to do the same problem here. Step number 1, we're going to multiply the whole number times the numerator. We just multiply straight across, and we get 2 times 3 is 6. Step number 2, we're just going to slide the denominator over, and that's 4. So our answer to 2 times 3/4 is 6/4. I hope this video helps you guys. Have a great day.